share na ba? Dito na. Public. Then, gawin na natin yun sa the rest ng mga folders. C, then bb.net. Okay. Next. Hit this one and this one. Then next. Read and write. Helpful access and read and write. Bam. Read, write. Next. Apply quota, set as default. Apply file screen, then hit bb.net, bbnet. Next. Close. And already sharing. Then for C programs. Oh. Ay, sorry. Next. SME, NFS. Next. Read and write access. Next. Apply quota as default limit. Apply file screen, C programs. Then next. Close. And then, hanapin natin kung nagawa ba si programs. Sharing. Nice. Provision share. Yung folder naman natin yung susunod. And S2A. Then hit next. SMB, NFS. Next. Ito, dapat custom lang siya sa may domain natin. Ito. Permissions. Remove natin and instead allow lang yung maranan. Ako lang mag-allow sa sarili ko. Allow. Apply. Okay. Permissions, full control, good. Pero for example, pwede naman natin idagdag yung buong TUP sa users. Ayan, full control na lang din natin in case. Then next apply quota, 100 MB limit, apply file screen, run S2A, next, close. Maranan S2A, good, stop sharing, provision share, photo mail, next. Read and write, next, apply quota, file screen policy, excuse the cat, my void car, photo mail, next, create, close, photo mail, stop sharing, good, provision share, browse, then hit photo email, okay. Next. Check the check boxes. Next. Still read and write only. Based on user. Actually, I haven't thought about it. Actually, let's cancel this one pala muna. Photo mail. Stop sharing. Hit properties, permission. Is there any other way for me to? Wala. Bali lang tayo ng panibagong group sa Active Directory natin. Users. group scope, domain local. Okay. Then mag-add tayo ng members. Dagdag ko na dito yung circle ko, at least 3 to 5 na lang. Okay. Ilag ko. Okay. Runs. Yan, then hit apply. Okay. Let's do the same for female. New group female. Domain local. Okay. Where's the female? Members. And last week na babae. Else ayun. I guess that's it. Okay. Then balik tayo sa provision share. Hit the mail folder, photo mail folder, and provision storage. Next. Check those boxes. Next. Oh, I still haven't deleted the old one yet. Saan ko makikita yun? Where do I find the photo mail? Photo mail? Oh, there you go. Permissions, remove, add mails, which is read and write only. Permission, read, write, change, apply. And click next. Okay. Apply quota, good. Next. Next, create, close. File. Photo female. Next. Get access. Next. User in groups. Have custom permissions. Remove add. Female. Read and write. Apply. Okay. Then next again. Next. Legota. Next. Oh. Look at that. Oatmeal. Good. About 3. How do I do that now? Photo mail, stop sharing. Photo. Next. Permissions, remove add mail. Next. Tomato. Goods na pala. Good. That's all.